So let's start. So we are going to start a new concept, synchronization. Let's see what exactly synchronization is. Okay. Let me increase my font size 22. Okay. So what is synchronization? Synchronization is the process of allowing one thread, allowing one thread at a time, one thread at a time among the n number of threads. N number of threads. Okay. To use the object of a class. Okay. So if there are n number of threads are there, n number of threads in the sense it could be, you can assume that n could be 100 or 200, something like that. If 100 or 200 threads are available, so you will be allowing only one thread at a time. Okay, so let me take a example. Okay, I'll be taking a banking application. I'll be taking a banking application. Or if you go to the any bank, okay, or let me take a banking application only. In the banking application, we have amount as a variable declared. Okay, let's say my initial amount is 100. Let's say 1000. Okay, so I have a two uh, threads actually T1. So let me give this name T1 thread name as, let's say, Sriram, and T2 thread as Hayat. So these are the two threads which wants to perform deposit operation, is want to perform deposit operation on this bank account variable, which is nothing but amount. So they want to deposit 500 to their friend's account. Let's say Benhur is the friend and they wants to deposit 500 rupees to his account, each of them. Okay, 500. So if they perform simultaneously, they might be getting a chance of inconsistent result. Okay, so they wants to, they T1 is like Sriram is depositing 500 rupees into the Benhur's account. At the same time, Hayat also performing 500 rupees to his account. So if they are performing simultaneously, so it will, as the amount is 500, both are same. So at that time, what it will do is, so it will add the 1500 as the balance instead of 2000, instead of 2000. Okay, in order to sort this kind of inconsistent result, in order to solve these kind of inconsistent result, we are going to apply the concept of, synchronization to the methods which are like, where, like for example, if uh, Sriram is performing deposit operation. So we will be making the deposit method as synchronized, so that only when the Sriram is using that deposit method, Hayat shouldn't be able to use that. Okay. So we will be locking, Sriram is locking that particular account balance, so that once he performed the operation, then only the thread to Hayat can able to deposit the amount. So if they are performing one after the other, there is no point of getting the inconsistent result. Okay, so let's see the synchronization techniques. What are the different synchronization techniques we have in Java? Synchronization techniques. Synchronization techniques we have in Java. Synchronization techniques we have in Java. Let's see the synchronization techniques. So what are the different techniques you have in Java? In Java, we have two types of synchronization techniques. They are synchronization methods, synchronization methods, and the last one is second one is synchronization blocks. Synchronization blocks. So these are the two techniques we have in Java. We will be using these two, any one of these two technique to perform the synchronization, to lock the object, to lock the method, to lock the class, to lock the variable. Okay. So fine. Let's see the first one. Let's see the synchronization method. Synchronization method. Synchronization method. This is the first technique, right? Synchronization methods. So let's see how we will do that. How we will apply the synchronization to the methods. If any method, I'm telling you, if any method which is shareable to the other customers also, make that method as synchronized using synchronized keyword, using synchronized keyword. So how you will make the method as synchronized? You will be applying the synchronized keyword to the method so that that method will become synchronized. So when you have to do that, when you are sharing the respected method with n number of people, deposit is the method. So deposit, anyone can perform the deposit operation, right, in a bank. So what we have to do, we have to make that method as synchronized so that when someone is perform, when multiple threads are trying to access the deposit, so we'll be serving the request based on the first come first approach. So let's say we have 10 threads. Okay, we will be assigning simultaneously, not simultaneously, one after the other. T1 first, T2 second, up to T10. After completion of all these threads, after completion of one thread, we will be giving a chance to the other thread. Okay, so that you shouldn't be getting the inconsistent result. Let's see the syntax of using the synchronized keyword. Okay, so let's see the syntax. Syntax of using synchronized keyword, the method level. Okay, the syntax is okay, synchronized, synchronized, and return type, return type. Next, method name, and list of parameters, if any parameters are there, you should give those parameters inside it. If any parameters are there, you should be giving inside this. Let me decrease the font size so that I can write in single line. I'll be giving this 18. Yeah. So list of parameters, if any. Okay. Open the synchronized block. Inside this, you know better, you'll be writing the list of statements. Okay. Block of statements which you want to execute. Block of statements. Block of statements. Cool. Fine. Okay. So okay, so this is a scenario. For this scenario, we'll be writing a code actually. So we will be using the synchronization keyword, and we will be write a code for this scenario. The scenario is a ticket booking system needs to handle multiple users which are trying to book tickets simultaneously, and we have to prevent selling more tickets which are selling more tickets which are available. We have to prevent selling more tickets than available. Okay, so fine. So now what I'll do is I'll go and write a code for this. Yeah, let's go here. Let's go and create a service. So I'll say this as a ticket booking service. Ticket booking service. So this is the best example I can say. ticket booking service. So ticket booking service will be having the available tickets as a available tickets. So I'll be taking this as an integer. Okay. So I'll write private. Okay. So I'll be creating a constructor for this ticket booking service and available available tickets. Let me copy this and just paste it over here. And this is int, and this dot available tickets equals to available tickets semicolon, and this is a public constructor, so everyone can able to access this one. And the ticket booking service is also having a method called book ticket. So it is having a method called book ticket. So we'll be taking a method called book ticket, which will be taking the username and the from like ticket to book. Okay. So let me give this. So username, and I'll say ticket to book, and how many tickets to book? Tickets to book, and we'll be giving the destination as well. String destination, and we'll be accepting the source as well. Source, right? From source to destination, we will be booking the tickets, and we will be taking the username and the how many tickets you want to book. I'll directly write tickets. Let me give the meaningful name tickets you want to book. Tickets you want to book, and this is synchronized. This method is synchronized and void, and this public fine public. Cool. So now over here, what I'll do is I'll write a simple sysort statement. User name, it's so and so, is trying to book the tickets. Okay. From I'll give the source over here. From source, I'll give the destination place. I'll give the destination place. The user is trying to book tickets. User is trying to book. How many tickets is trying to book? That we have to give over here. Okay. How many tickets is trying to book? Okay. How many tickets is trying to book? Cool. And I have concatenated it, and here I'll be adding a tickets to book. Okay, cool. Fine, right? So user is, for example, some x user is trying to book uh trying to book n number of uh, one ticket from source to the destination to from source to destination. Okay, fine. Got it. So now what I'll do is I'll check. I'll write a check over here. So I'll say how many tickets you want to book. If the tickets you want to book, which is less than or equals to available tickets, you can say that like you don't have that much. You don't have the tickets available Okay, the bus is full, something like that. If the tickets are available, we are allowing the person to book the tickets. So I'll say, I'll write tickets to book. Tickets you want to book is less than or equals to the available tickets. Okay, so the available tickets. So here what I'll do is I'll write a sys out. I'll say, so if the tickets book you want to is less than or equals to available tickets, you say, um, okay, user name, user is successfully booked, booked. How many tickets he booked? So we have to give the ticket you want to book, and okay, user successfully booked tickets, one ticket from source to destination. Okay, so I'll write from source to, I'll write the destination here. I'll write destination. Okay. So now here I'll say available tickets. I have to minus it, right? Available tickets equals to available tickets minus what I have to do? Tickets you want to book. That's cool. So now we have subtracted it. Then after that, we don't need to write any statement over here. I'll say else. I'll say system.println. I'll say user. If user is not having any tickets, if the bus is booked, or if the train is booked, if the the flight is booked fully, so I'll say this user failed to book tickets, and we will be printing the available tickets over here. Okay, fine, cool. Okay, so we have created a ticket booking service. So the ticket booking service will be having the available tickets as a parameter, and we have a method called book ticket is a method, and which will be taking the username, destination, source, and tickets you want to book. How many tickets you want to book? Okay, so you just have to provide all these parameters. Okay, so now we are like checking the condition if the tickets you want to book which are less than or equals to the available tickets. Let's say we have no tickets. At that time, what you should do? You should you should simply come to your else block, and you should say the user failed to book the tickets because he doesn't have any tickets. So we have to give the available tickets number. If zero tickets are available, we will say zero. Okay, user failed to book tickets, and tickets available are we don't have tickets, something like that. Okay, and if the tickets are available, we are letting him to book the tickets. Okay, so we are printing that username successfully booked the ticket, okay, from source to the destination, and we are subtracting the how many tickets he booked from the available tickets. Okay, so let's go and write the client application for this one. Okay, so I'll write the client application in threads. I'll say Abhi bus app. Okay, so main. Okay, I'll use ticket booking system service, ticket services, new ticket booking service. Okay, so I'll create a thread t1 equals to new thread, and I'll use the lambda expression over here. Okay, so I'll say ticket booking service dot book ticket. So you'll be passing the couple of things like username, destination, source. Okay, so let's pass the username. Let's say I'll be passing the user one. Okay, so source, let's say from Bangalore, from Bangalore, destination. So source, okay, that is destination. Okay, the second parameter is destination. I have given the Bangalore as destination, and the source. The source would be, let's say, Goa. Why not Goa? Okay. Then number of tickets you want to book. Let's, for example, one. I want to book one ticket, and here the ticket booking service will be taking the uh, uh, will be having one constructor which will be taking the available tickets as a parameter. Okay, so we'll be giving the tickets over here. So let's say 10 tickets are available. So we'll be giving the 10 tickets as a parameter. So now next, so we'll be creating a one more thread. Okay, so now instead of T1, I'll give this user one. Why we have to go for T1, T2 something every time. User 2, now new thread lambda expression. So I'll say ticket booking service dot book ticket. Now I'll say user to is also traveling from Bangalore to Goa, but he wants two tickets. Hmm, Copy, copy, and just paste it over here. But he wants two tickets. D D. So user 3, user 4, and we have user 3, user 4, Bangalore, and I'll be changing the destination to Mumbai. And here I'll be changing the destination to TPL. That's my hometown. Okay, one and two for TPL. That's cool. Okay, because everyone is boarding for the same destination, right? Let me give the same destination. Okay, so here I'll give user one dot start copy four threads. I have to start three, four. So four threads have started. Okay. So again, if I started these four threads, I have to close the four threads as well. So I'll be writing join. So I'll say user one dot join. Okay. So let's copy. Okay. Now, so this will have a catch block. Let's write the catch block. Okay. Let's write the catch block. Say exception E. That's fine. One thing, I'll take my charger. So say system.println, I'll say E. Cool. Let's start executing this one. Run as Amoeba's app. So it will return something is expected 33. 1 minute. Okay. Necessary. Now let's run this one. Yeah. See, user one, user is trying to book the ticket. User is trying to book one ticket from Goa to destination. Goa to destination. It didn't printed white destination. Just printed the destination. Okay. From Bangalore, it should print, right? Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so let me run this application. So once you run this application, you will see this. Okay, the result. So user one is booking one ticket from Goa to Bangalore, and nine tickets are remaining. And user four is trying to book two tickets from Goa to Bangalore. So he booked successfully, two tickets booked, and remaining tickets are seven. And user three is also booking the tickets. So he booked, or he is booking one ticket, and he successfully booked the one ticket, and remaining tickets are six. User two is booking two tickets from Goa to Bangalore. So he successfully booked two tickets, and remaining tickets are four. Let's go and check the negative scenario. Okay. So let's say the user one itself booking six tickets, and user 2 is booking two tickets, and user 3 is booking one ticket, and user 4 is booking two tickets. So in this case, in user 4, we should give, it should throw some exception, like, let's see, maybe at some point of time it should say that you don't have sufficient tickets to book it. Okay, see, let's see. So user 1 is trying to book six tickets Goa to Bangalore. Six tickets are booked successfully, four are remaining now. So just four are remaining. User four is booking the two tickets. Okay. Two tickets are booked successfully. Only two tickets are remaining. User three is trying to book one ticket. Okay. So tickets from book ticket, and user is trying to book one ticket, successfully booked one ticket, and the remaining tickets are one only. So user two wants two tickets. Okay. But we have only one ticket. At this time, user two failed to book the ticket because the available ticket is one. So here we have to write complete sentence. User to fail to book tickets because his available tickets are only one, something like this. Okay. So this is all about ticket booking system. Okay, fine. So I'll be stopping over here.